I just recently bought a Meta Quest 2 to experience wireless virtual reality, and I'm not new to virtual reality. I did purchase a HTC Vive quite some time ago, and it's been pretty good, but you have to hook it up to a pretty expensive PC, and there's a wire that you're always tethered to, and it's kind of annoying when you're moving around in VR. But the Quest 2 is totally wireless. Now, if you haven't experienced VR yet, I definitely recommend picking one up. They're not too expensive, and they're a good way to start off experiencing VR. Now, the first thing you'll notice when you do buy a Quest 2 is the fact that the strap that comes with it is pretty much garbage. Especially if you have multiple people in your house, you're not going to want to be adjusting that strap. It's going to take time and you're just not going to want to deal with it. So the next thing you're going to do is to try to find a better head strap. And today we're going to be taking a look at the Defanti head strap for the Quest 2. This head strap has a lot more cushion, it's easily adjustable, and it installs in seconds. Now you can pick this up off Amazon, and I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick it up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews to you guys. So first off, let me go ahead and show you how to install the head strap, and then I'll let you know how it feels. Alright, so here is the head strap itself. It is made of all plastic, just like pretty much every other head strap out there. But the thing that sets this one apart is the fact that it has some really nice cushioning for your head that's easily cleanable because it's like that faux leather. And there's also a back pad for the back of your head that, as you can see, is pretty thick. It also has some really quick adjustments. There's a knob on the back that you pretty much just twist like this very easily and it tightens up. Or if you want to release, it releases very easily just like that. So the way that you're going to want to install this is you're going to want to take out your face piece first. I have this one by VR Cover and it's absolutely amazing. It's definitely better than the silicone foam one that comes with the Quest 2. So once we have that off, we're going to take our little strap here, we're going to undo the Velcro, and we're going to feed it underneath this little portion right here. And then all you need to do is pull it through and then put it back on the little felt pad here, but you're going to want to adjust this with this on your head, but this will get you started. Now once you have that in place, all you're going to need to do is to kind of flip it around, and then we're going to install the little plastic arms over the plastic arms of the Quest. And the easiest way I found to do this was to put this little piece in first, then just push it down on the back here. So we'll go ahead and put this in just like that, and then just push it in just like that. Okay, so now that that's in, we can go ahead and make our other adjustments. Then once you have the arms on, you're just going to want to flip this up one more time and kind of rotate the arms up on the Quest, and then you can take your face piece and put that back into place. Now you're all set. You can also take this back pad off and adjust it any way that you want that fits best for your head. It's only held on by some Velcro. So now that I have it installed on my Quest 2 and I've used it a little bit, I want to let you know how it feels, what it looks like, and a couple things that I found out. One is if you wanted to use this head strap and you have small children, I'll definitely let you know that this strap goes super close to the headset. And while we're at that, to tighten it, you don't even need to really turn the knob, you just kind of press it in. Look at how tight that gets. I mean, that is for like a really small child's head. So again, if you have children, I think this will work really good for them as well as you. And then to release it, then that's when you untighten the little knob in the back. But to tighten it up, really, you just need to press it in on your head and it tightens. That's definitely a cool thing. Another really nice thing is the fact that it has an adjustment here and adjustment on the Quest 2. So you can pretty much adjust this however you like on your head, and it should fit pretty comfortably. It fit pretty good on my head. I will definitely tell you that it's a huge improvement over the strap that comes with the Quest 2, so you really can't go wrong there. With the padding on the top here, feels really good on your head. The back pad, again, you can adjust it. As you can see, I flip mine upside down, and it seems to be a little bit more comfortable for me. So you can adjust that any way that you want. One thing I kind of wish that it had was maybe like more of a full cup, so it kind of like cradled the back of your head. This one kind of either sits on the bottom or the top depending on how you have it adjusted, but again, you can adjust it for your comfort. once it is on your head, it will not come off unless you release it. So you don't have to worry about it slipping or anything like that, or like you saw how I pushed it in, you cannot pull it out. So once you tighten it down, it's going to be tight on your head, and that's what you want. You don't want it to slip out. So here, I'll go ahead and put this on my head so you can see it exactly how it fits. Pretty much just put this on. I pull this down a little bit just like that, and then tighten it up. And it feels really good. You can adjust it again how you feel is comfortable for you. The top pad here definitely takes the weight off of the Quest 2, kind of sagging down on your face. And then again, you've got this back pad here pressing on the back of your head to give you a pretty nice fit. Now, because of these two joint adjustments, you can actually get the Quest 2 to really not even press against your face if you're playing games that aren't really requiring you to move your head around a lot or not very quick at all, for people who don't want the Quest 2 to be, pressed up against their face. But you can pretty much look all around with this headset, and it's really not pressed up against my face very hard, and it's not moving anywhere at all. So you're definitely going to have a good experience while you're playing VR. Also, as you can see on the sides here, the arms do not touch the tops of my ears. Now, that might not be true for everybody, but for my case, my ears do not touch the sidebars here. And if they did, you can just simply adjust them up and down. And if you want to take it off, it's very easy. You just simply undo the strap just like that, and then take it off. So if you're looking for a great upgrade from that cheap strap that comes with the Quest 2, the Defanti is definitely a worthy upgrade. Again, I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick it up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.